I'm Helen Sanderson, Head of Guitar Performance at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Solo studies with us are rigorous. They are challenging and intensive, but also very nurturing. In addition to your individual lessons, our current cohort are benefiting from termly lessons on an individual basis with visiting artists. Added into that are our masterclasses and concerts. Recent visitors have included the magnificent Pavel Steidl, Gabriele Bianco, and Margarita Escapa. One aspect of our studies, which is often something that students have very little or no experience of, is arranging. And we work very hard to give you guidance and develop that with you. This is not just a theoretical exercise. And so the portfolio of arrangements are carried forwards into chamber performance assessments, giving a real practical application of this art. All our guitarists will be part of that process, working collaboratively with other musicians and other guitarists, and very importantly, coming together as a complete department for our guitar ensemble. This is something that we rehearse intensively every week, and not only perform within college, but have a very active external concert schedule. Guitarists today need so many different skills, and this does absolutely include workshop leadership and teaching. This is going to be developed during your time in the general course of college life, but we also offer very many guitar-specific events. We're often found out in the community working with younger guitarists, and it's vital practical experience that you need to be able to hone your craft in this area. I feel incredibly lucky to be part of the exceptional and creative community we have at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, and I really look forward to sharing that with all of my students. We are always working towards your journey into the profession. We'll be awakening your musical creativity and curiosity, so that when you leave us, you not only have a multitude of different skills to enable you to absolutely thrive as a guitarist, but also you will have your own strong artistic voice. I look forward to welcoming you to college.